Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights into consumer electronics. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Huawei, the Huawei P40 Lite 5G. This smartphone has garnered attention for its impressive features and performance in the competitive market of Android devices. The Huawei P40 Lite 5G stands out as a powerhouse in its category, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. Let's explore what makes it a top contender among Huawei cell phones. First off, the design. Huawei has crafted a device that not only looks premium but feels sturdy in hand. With a 6.5-inch LTPS IPS LCD display and HDR10 support, you're guaranteed vibrant colors and sharp detail whether you're streaming your favorite content or browsing social media. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The P40 Lite 5G boasts a versatile quad camera setup. A 64 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, a 2 megapixels macro lens, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. This array ensures that you can capture stunning photos in any scenario, from detailed close-ups to expansive landscapes. Under the hood, it runs on Huawei's Kirin 825G chipset, built on a 7nm architecture. This not only delivers robust performance but also ensures efficient power management, extending battery life even under heavy use. Paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, you have ample space for all your apps, photos, and media. Running on Android 10 with EMUI 10.1, it's important to note that the P40 Lite 5G does not come with Google Play services. Huawei has developed its own ecosystem of apps and services to compensate, offering alternatives to seamlessly integrate into your daily life. Powering all this is a respectable 4000 mAh battery, supporting 40W fast charging. This means you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device on the go. Connectivity-wise, it supports 5G networks, ensuring you stay connected at high speeds wherever 5G is available. The inclusion of a dual SIM setup adds versatility for travelers or those managing personal and work numbers. In conclusion, the Huawei P40 Lite 5G excels as a flagship light model, offering premium features without the premium price tag. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a multitasking pro, or someone who values style and performance, this device ticks all the boxes. That wraps up our review of the Huawei P40 Lite 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech. Until next time, thanks for watching.